Hi, my name is Dave. In this video, I'll be taking a closer look at how I've achieved a 39% gain in XOM within 6 days. Let's have a look at the chart of XOM. With the turnaround in the energy sector, I went ahead to look for a key stock within the energy sector. XOM is a key stock in the energy sector. With the energy sector moving higher, XOM has a very good chance to move much higher as well. Entry is on 12 April with exit on 18 April. In summary, this is a bullish trade that's entry price of $2.57 and exit price of $3.58. Going along with the sector movement is the key to this trade. A nice 39% gain for this trade within 6 days. Let's take a quick look at the live statement of this trade. Entry date is 12 April with exit on 18 April. Entry price is $2.57 with exit price of $3.58. This trade has achieved a 39% gain within 6 days. Thanks for watching this video. You can watch more free videos at WhaleTrades.com.